How to see your statements and report on WhatsApp. Do you want to see your reports on WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just look at the third option, statements and report. Click on it. All your statements and reports will be shown here. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna see your statements and report on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.